In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a semi-automatic paintball gun. This time use a different method. We are going to use a three-way valve instead of a slide valve. A slide valve have three ports. One of them, they are also called direction control valves because they can control the direction of air. Here I'm using as the input, and I can just by pushing this lever, I can choose the air passage from here or here. Now this one is slightly bigger. I already added a spring so it returns to its position. So now you need another QEV, 1/4 inch, and the air cylinder. The cylinder works by this way. The air comes from here and will extract like this. When it comes from here, it will expand. And again, when putting air here, it will go back. This will be used on the reloading mechanism. So now, the QEV, you need a male-to-male 1/4 inch fitting to connect to the exhaust port of the QEV. It's on the back. Now connect to this port of the three-way valve. Like this. Now you have to connect to the air source to find out which one works as the exhaust port for the QEV to work and which one is the air source to charge the momentary chamber that will be connected to the chamber side of the QEV. Now you need some push to connect fittings, also 1/4 inch. You thread them on. So basically now this unit will work. So now it's all connected. Push, fire, and in this valve here there is the input port. It connects to your paintball tank. Here is the exhaust port. I'm going to connect a hose to it, to the feeder of the holder of the paintball, to give it a little bit of shake every time I fire, so the feeding is better. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply connect a suppressor on it to make lower noise, like this one I did here. So now you have to prepare your cylinder. The cylinder normally it's closed, and when you charge the air from this port, it will expand, but nothing else. When the air exits, it stays this way. So to make it return, you can add a spring inside it, but it's quite difficult for me. So the easy solution is like this. Use this tire valve, connect it to it. It acts like an air spring. So now I push it, go back automatically. Now I'm going to show you how it works. Now by connecting this side to the chamber side of the QEV, and now I'm going to connect a paintball tank to the feeding board here. Now let's see the cylinder. Will it expand? I'll turn on the air. See? Now every time I fire the QEV, it will return. And when I charge, it goes to front, will push a paintball into the bolt and fires.